the shocker. You guys are black.
So are you.
Gosh.
Back to you.
Really, I'm stronger than you.
Wrestle.
No.
Wrestle.
Oh, that reminds me, I can totally beat you up.
No, you can't. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, see what happens.
Give me your phone.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Wait, here. I totally.
3, 2, 1, ding, 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 ding.
Ding, ding, ding. I was totally gonna beat him up.
I beat on my sister.
So I'm not your sister.
Okay, but she's like 5'9".
So I'm like this short.
Who's taller?
Me? Hey, that's nice.
Who's that? You guys talk! Do something!
What's that? You pee your mom?
No! I just gotta pee her pants!
I'm not gonna pee my pants!
Can you get lighter?
Okay.
You tied?
Okay, yes.
He won.
Good match. Alright, let's see the replay.
Let's see who